Kobe, does Mama know you get up there like that?
Mhm.
Put the DVD back up there on the rack. Put it up there on the rack. Put it up there, Kobe.
I put it right there for safety.
No, put it right there. Put it up there. Put it up there, Kobe.
I want to watch this movie.
Kobe.
The ABC movie.
Are you gonna put the movie back up there on the rack like I asked you to? That one.
It's in there.
Put the thing back up there.
I can't.
Put it up there.
Can you do I'm
No.
not that bad.
If I put it up there, can you get it down?
Yeah.
Alright.
I can only do the down.
Ta-da!
That's how we do it much better.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Love you, buddy.
Yeah, you too.